Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Vechain update. And let's talk about the Vechain. Now, right now, please join me into the Discord first of all. The link is in the description of this video. And we had a sideways consolidation back in some few days ago, and you broke out of this place, and now you're just continuing up like this. Now, to me, guys, I've talked about the ABC correction of Bitcoin. So can Vechain actually do the same thing? Because what I'm suggesting is that this was some sort of your A, you made a little bit of a rise for the B wave, and then the C is way more bigger than the A correction. So who knows, we come all the way down to this line, which is going to be 0.05568, because that's where your big support level really is, because this is where you're going to have your touch right here and your touch right there. Right, so let's bring in the RSI right now and look at the at how the RSI is absolutely overbought. So you have the 78 levels, and the RSI has a little bit of a room to actually breathe to the downside on the 4-hour time frame. So it's looking to actually go to 32, 28, 22 potentially in the next coming few days, and that will actually makes way more sense to me, and that will be healthy for the market, because what you do is you go up, come down, go up, come down, then you go up impulsively, okay, in waveforms. All right, so on the weekly though, we're still bullish on the weekly, but on the 4-hour time frame, a little bit of a small time frames, it seems like we're going to be having some corrections and some pullbacks here and there. And as a matter of fact, you know, the candlestick that you just see here on the 4-hour time frame, which is going to be the green candle, the red candle right there, is a bearish engulfing candlestick right now. And it seems like after this candle closes, it depends on how this red candle closes in the next 2 hours and 10 minutes, and then from there, boom, you just continue to flip to the downside as well. So be careful, guys. There is a resistance that has to be broken in order for us to continue, and that it's going to be this resistance right there, which is going to be 0.66473. Now, if Vechain actually does start to climb back up this resistance, go to 66, back test it, wow, then that's it. Then we're going to continue to the upside, and the view for the C wave correction is going to be hard, a little bit hard to actually get all that kind of stuff. So I do even expect that there's a squeeze happening now. Look at this, okay? That's a squeeze coming in. So of course, this squeeze can make it pop to the upside, and it can make it pop to the downside. So there's a very small tiny ascending triangle that I just noticed right now. So that's it for today's update. I just want you to go to tradingview.com, drop this squeeze line right there, this some sort of an ascending triangle, and let's see what it does. Because if you start to pop out of it, then that's it. You're not going to go downside, and you start to pop towards the downside of the ascending triangle, you go back to away from that ascending triangle, and potentially go to find support at nearly these levels right here, somewhere down, which is, for me, it's going to be this line right there. That's where the biggest support is right now, and that could complete the C correction completely. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.